Thank you for joining to our channel today. Today we're going to show you how to replace a transmission filter due to fluid change on a 2006 Lincoln Mark LT. Alright, first off you get your drain pan. Put your drain pan underneath there. Then all you need is a 10mm to take out 14 bolts in the pin. What I normally do is just loosen them all at one corner so the fluid can drain. So you don't get it all over the place. Now this is going to take a few to drain, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back with the 2006 Lincoln Mark LT. Transmission fluid is somewhat drained. What I do next, y'all be very careful. I kind of hold it up. Take the screws out. Because if y'all don't be very careful, y'all can spill the rest of this out on you. Alright, last bolt. Gently lower it. And try not to feel it like I just did all over me. All right, now this is going to be your filter right here. Clean up my mess a little bit real quick. This will grab and just pull straight down. I wiggle back and forth. So if there's anything in that hose, it don't come at me. All right, since we got that out, now we're gonna come over here. We're gonna look in the bottom of this pan. They got some metal flakes in there. A lot. So what we're going to do is clean it up real good. Figure out where this goes. And then I'll be right back with y'all. All right, we're back with the transmission pan. Got it cleaned up and everything. I'm going to put the magnet back on this hump that's right here. Put it in there. Got it in there. Got the pan cleaned up. Now we're ready to put the filter and stuff back in. All right, there we go. What I normally do, go through here, wipe where the gasket was set, and just kind of wipe down. Where everything goes. Make sure there ain't no instructions up in here or anything for the filter. All right, now you just make sure that you put the filter back up in here the way it came out. All it does is press back up in there, just like that. Make sure it's in there. All right, just like that. Now the pan is ready to go back on.
Hey Dad, did you ever figure out what's wrong with that sheriff's pickle?
All right, that was my son. Now we're just putting the gasket on the pan. What I normally do, I start a bolt in each corner to hold the gasket in place. Just like that. How I have it in that corner. I'm going to do it in all 4 corners. Bear with me a moment. All right, I got each one in all 4 corners. It's holding the gasket on for me. So what we'll do now is put it back up the way it came off. Just like that. Start that bolt. Start that bolt. Start that bolt. And start that one. Then I go around and start all the other bolts in it. Now, these have to be snug, not too tight because you can end up breaking them, not too loose because it will leak. So, but anyways, and then you'll put 8 quarts of transmission fluid in, start it up, let it run, check your fluid, add fluid as you need it, and that's about it. Y'all have a great night. If y'all like this video, subscribe. Y'all have anything I can add, take away, whatever, just let me know. I'm new to doing videos and everything. So, but if y'all have something I can add or take away, or I talk too much, whatever, just let me know. And if you like this video, please subscribe. Y'all have a great evening.